Hello, church. Hello, everybody. And hello to the demon them. Yes, you
Mommy,
never know demon
me
come at church. The
hungry.
long hand demon them. And them come at church, them too long hand. And not give no money. And expect the church to run
Mommy,
right. Because
this
the church
soon
run by
done.
money. In a run pan faith alone. I know Jesus provide, but you must provide to the church and help of the church.
Mommy,
Stop being
me
demon.
can't
You
get your
too long and
phone.
demon them. It can't stand, oh no. Yes, Pastor Grimes can't stand, oh no. You know, I mean, look crazy right
Mommy,
now.
it
But the
smell
truth
like
that me
somebody
attack.
poop.
Yes, it's me attack. No, no. Come every Sunday with your too long hand. Look at your hand, them stretch them
Mommy,
out.
me want
Empty,
go home.
empty, empty. Go for listen me, you demon. Me no want see you the
Mommy,
next week.
me want
Come with your
sleep.
pocketbook. Come with your wallet. Yes, me know you no get paid. I did not give you tithe.
Mommy,
You up
he
into
not
you
done
and you
talk
want
yet.
to get blessing. You can't get blessing, so listen to Pastor Grimes. And
Mommy,
another
me
thing
belly
I
hurt
say,
me. Me
only
want
if
go
you
to the
stop spy the
bathroom.
child, stop spy the child. When you spear the rod and spy the child, me can't stand
Mommy,
it. You
why
come
that
at
lady
church,
a
you
look
come
on
here,
me?
them be nice, and this and that, and them not behave themselves, and dip on the phone, and not listen to Pastor
Mommy,
Grimes, and you deal on them with the long hand. You me so